let's fix your Instagram community guidelines violation. Now, if you're on Instagram and a message pops up that says that you violated the community guidelines, I'm going to walk you through steps to get that fixed and get your account running like normal. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. So if you hop into Instagram and it pops up with a message that says you violated those community guidelines, sometimes there's an option on there or a button that will just allow you to press it and appeal that decision. Basically, you can go to Instagram, write some content about why this specific thing happened. Maybe you're sorry or why it might be a mistake or something like that, and you can submit that appeal. Now, if you don't see that when you go to Instagram, you can always find that form. Just go to a web browser and type in Instagram appeal form. Now, we can tap on this second one here, and it'll pop up with the ability to appeal any community guidelines violations. And it says, please only submit this form if your account was deactivated for not following the community guidelines. And it says, do you have a valid driver's license? Now, or any kind of government issued ID like a passport or a driver's license. Now you can hit yes here, and then you can enter in your full name, your username, your email address, what country you're from, and lastly, you can enter in that ID. So upload a photo of your driver's license, some kind of government ID in there, and then hit the send button at the bottom. This will send this appeal form to Instagram, and they'll get back to you usually within a week or two, and they'll review that and hopefully go back and forth with you a bit and reinstate your account if it's been banned from that the community guidelines violation. Now, keep in mind you're going to want to explain exactly what happened and be as detailed as possible for Instagram to go through it and hopefully get your account back and reinstated. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.